Hey guys! Today we will unbox a slim and decent looking laptop. Adreamer LeoBook 13. In the box, we get a charger, a user manual, and the laptop. It comes with 3 different colors: gray, brown, and red. It comes with different variants: 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB RAM, 128, 256, and 512 GB SSD, Intel Celeron N4020, up to 2.8 GHz. It has 1.3 kilograms weight. A minimal-looking design. TF card slot, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB 3.1 and 2.0, mini HDMI slot, charging jack. Cover for replacing SSD easily. (4000 mAh large battery. Can last up to 5 to 7 hours. (2.5K Quad HD IPS display, 13.3-inch screen size, 300 nits high brightness display. A good quality speaker.